What we know about the marine kingdom is not just incorrect, but it is also culturally disingenuous. Many of us grew up with the notion that the only way to get involved with the marine kingdom is through the performance of certain initiation rituals and rites, with the task of causing mayhem, as it is always portrayed in most Nollywood movies. But from an Igbo cultural perspective, the existence of marine spirits and entities and kingdoms is to bring love and light into the world by upholding moral laws that prevents any form of immorality or actions that lead to the loss of life and property. Our interactions with this entity is anchored in the Igbo cosmological principle of Ihe Sommadu Biowa, which means dedicated accompanying spirits. Culturally, we know them as aspects of the Creator and natural principles that are specifically tied towards helping us to live a fulfilled life and ultimately to achieve our cosmic purpose, thereby ending the tedious cycle of reincarnation in Loa. To maintain a healthy relationship with these marine spirits, we have certain moral codes that one must preserve. First, now contrary to the erroneous religious beliefs, being in a healthy relationship with marine spirits and forces requires the individual to be a person of integrity. This means the words that comes out of this person's mouth must be truthful at all times. Secondly, the individual must be pure in body and mind. This moral code contradicts the indoctrinated beliefs that those that align with marine forces and marine spirits are promiscuous and destroys destiny through having carnal knowledge of innocent men. In reality, being a marine worshipper means being clean and pure in mind, body, and thoughts. Thirdly, innocence and guiltlessness are very crucial. Anybody who is directly or indirectly responsible for the death of another person does not qualify to serve, venerate, or participate in any water ritual. Such a person must first of all undergo traditional rituals of cleansing rites before being accepted or allowed to perform any kinds of water rituals. We also have different sets of taboos that prevents a person from engaging in certain behaviors. Therefore, we also have this principle of Nsonmiri, principles, moralities that an individual must abide and keep to before this individual could perform, interact, be aligned, or to be in contact with water spirits. Remember that in our Igbo ancestral perception, being connected to any body of water is deeply rooted in the sociocultural and spiritual foundations of all Igbo. This is why a specific river or water source is regarded as an individual's Mrichi or Mmirowa, which means Mmiri mmadụ si wee bịa ụwa or ebe mmadụ si wee bịa ụwa, the portal of reincarnation for all Igbo.